So what is a database instance? So guys, normally, like, if you search for it everywhere, you will find this sentence that a database instance, it is a set of memory structures and process and background processes. Okay, so database instance is a set of memory structure. There are some memory structure present and also some background processes. Okay, so the combination of these two, it helps to manage the database files. So guys, by the database files in the last video, I told you it represents the different physical database files that are present on the disk storage of your Oracle database Linux server. Okay, so this database instance utilizes some memory structures and some background processes to manage the different types of physical database files. Okay, so the database instance, you know, it exists only in the memory, only in the memory of the database Linux server. Okay, so basically this database instance, it is a program that runs in the memory of the database Linux server. Okay, this program, this is a Oracle program. Okay, guys, this database instance, it is an Oracle program, you know, that is loaded in the server memory or the server physical RAM, physical RAM memory of the database Linux server. Okay, and also if you remember that I had showed you on this database Linux server that to check whether any Oracle instance is running. So we use this command ps-pipe-pmon. So currently it is not showing any you know database instance name. Simply it is showing the pmon. Okay. So what I did is I set the environment of my Oracle database, that is ORCL. This is the Oracle database instance that I will be starting up. Okay. So I connected to the SQL Plus prompt and I issued the startup command, and you can see that Oracle instance started. Just as I issued the startup command, the Oracle instance got started. Okay, and here you can see system global area, fixed size, variable size, database buffer, redo buffer. Okay, this is the memory structures. Okay, so if I go back to my slide, so what happens is whenever you start up your Oracle database, this database instance, with this Oracle instance gets created. Practically, you can see here that whenever you will start up your database, this Oracle instance will get started. Okay, and if I again check using the ps-ef5 pmon command, see now you are getting this ORCL, this output. So it is showing that this ORCL Oracle instance is currently running on this Linux server. Okay, so so guys, as you can see here that after starting up the database, the Oracle instance gets created. So in the output of ps-e pipe ping on command, you can see that it is showing ORCL Oracle instance that is currently running, okay, on the Linux server. So just remember that this Oracle instance, it gets created whenever you uh, issue the startup command. Okay, whenever you start up your database, this Oracle instance gets created. So every Oracle database, okay, you can say that every Oracle database, you know, it is associated with at least one Oracle database instance. Okay, because we saw practically that whenever we start an Oracle database, an Oracle instance gets created. Okay, so this is also a very important information. And if I you know draw a flow diagram for your better understanding of the difference between Oracle instance and Oracle database. So suppose this is the memory structures, okay, and these are the suppose background processes, okay. So together these two components, these make up your Oracle instance, okay, and yeah, your Oracle database, okay. Database, it is an area where your physical, data files are stored. So we can represent it by, like suppose these are the different database files, okay. These are the storage area where the different database files are present. Okay, so this Oracle instance, you know, this it interacts with the your Oracle database files, and the memory structure, it consists of these SGA and PGA. So SGA is the shared global area and PGA is a program global area. So we will learn about it, you know, in further videos. Like SGA is it is the system global area. Okay. So you can see that when the Oracle instance got started, the SGA was allocated. Okay, different memory structures got allocated. So we will learn about it later on. And the background processes, okay, uh, and also there are some server processes also, okay, that work along with the background processes, okay, and they help to interact with the Oracle database files. Okay, so this is a very important information, and you can from this diagram you can understand that the Oracle instance, it exists in the memory of your database Linux server, and the database, it exists on the disk or the storage of your database Linux server. Okay, so this is very important information. So as the instance, it exists in the memory, and your database, it exists on the disk or storage of your Linux server. So in this scenario, an Oracle instance, it can exist without a database. Okay, and an Oracle database can exist without the Oracle instance. So these are mutually exclusive. Okay, because Oracle instance, it runs in the memory, and Oracle database is present on the in the storage area of your Linux server. Okay, so these are the totally different areas. Oracle instance exists in the memory, and the Oracle database, it exists on the disk or the storage area of your Linux server. So this is also very important information. Okay, and suppose if your Oracle instance is not working, okay, it is Oracle instance is not running on your Linux server, it doesn't mean that you have lost your database, because database physical files are present on the disk or the storage of the Linux server. Okay, so if you're as you have practically seen here on my Linux server, initially, you know, uh, I will just show you. Initially, the Oracle instance was not running. Like initially, I checked, so there was no Oracle instance running in the output of this command. So only when I started up my database, the instance got created. So it means that my database was not lost, right? Because on starting up my database, the Oracle instance got started, and the database got opened. It means that uh, I can access the database files. So practically, we have seen that if the Oracle instance is not running on the server, it doesn't mean that you lost your database. You just have to start the Oracle instance.